Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a full review of the Samsung Galaxy A20, and it is a new phone from Samsung, and it is the costing around 30,000 PKR the price range. And let's talking about the build quality of this phone. And this phone is made up of the plastic, but it is looking very shiny. This phone is giving you the glossy the finish as well, and you can see, and it is the poly carbon material, and it is also the fingerprint magnet, and you can see huge the fingerprint magnet is here on this phone, and the side is having a little bit the curves. You can hold this phone very easily. It is very comfortable as well, and this phone is not very heavy, and this phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery size which support a fast charging, but it is not very heavy. And you can see, and let's quickly show you the physical overview of this phone. And you can see this phone comes with a dual cameras on the back, LED flash, and the fingerprint scanner there. On the bottom is having a headphone jack, USB type C port, microphone, and the speaker. And on the right is having a volume up and volume down rocker with the power key. On the top is having a noise the cancellation mic, and on the left is having a SIM tray. You can use 2 SIM card and 1 micro SD card at the same time. And let's talk about the display of this phone. And you can see, and first thing you can notice, it is a very beautiful display because it has a 6.4 inch 720p super AMOLED display. And you know that the super AMOLED display is the best display on the market right now. Very good deep blacks as well as the colors as well, and the brightness is also very good in this phone. You know, the super AMOLED display, the brightness, it is not a very big issue, and auto brightness, the sensor is also here in this phone. That's a very good thing. And you can see, and this phone comes with a Infinity V display, Samsung called as, but it is a water droplet notch. You know, Samsung called as Infinity V display. Also A30 comes with the Infinity U display, U style, but it is a V style that Samsung called as Infinity V. And here is the front camera, and earpiece is also here, and you can see. And let's talk about the software of this phone. And this phone, it comes with a Android 9 out of the box with a one UI, and you can see, and it is the same UI that what you get on the Samsung Galaxy S10 the family as well. And the last security update is having the February 1. Go back and show you the display settings, and this one is also giving you a night mode feature, which is very good for me because when I use the phone in night I enable that, and it is very comfortable for eyes. And this phone is also giving you a navigation gesture, and you can see, and here is a home, and here is the back, and this is the multitasking, and multitasking is having a vertical compared to the horizontal on the Android 8.0 Oreo Samsung experience, but it is a one UI. It is a very good. And when you go to the advanced feature, this phone is giving you a reduce animation feature. It is remove the animation from phone, and you feel that phone is faster than before. And dual messenger feature is also here in this phone. When I go to the motion and gesture system, and this phone is giving you a double tap to wake up the display, and you can see, and the screen off, you can double tap to wake up and register the face. One UI, it means that you can use this phone only one hand, and you can see all the option is here. I can use that only one hand. I think I have to say that this phone is giving you the cool animation, which I really like. You can see it is a very cool animation. And you can see here is some more feature in the home screen settings, and you can see, and it is a quick open notification in the panel, and you can see you can swipe down, and all the notification panel is here in this phone. And this phone is not giving you a always on display, but you can customize the lock screen. Every time you can press the key and automatically it is the wallpaper. That's a very good thing. You can also customize the color of this clock style as well. And this phone is also giving you a digital well-being feature as well. It is a small chin on the top and big chin on the bottom. It is the same design language that what you get on the Samsung Galaxy A30. And let's talk about the performance of this phone. And this phone comes with a Exynos 7884 processor with a 32 GB internal storage and 3 GB RAM, and it is the processor that what you get on the Samsung Galaxy A10, which is cheaper than the Samsung Galaxy A30. The performance wise, this phone is also very good, not awesome, it is average. I have to say that Exynos 7884 processor, it is not very good in this the price range, same processor that what you get on the A10, but this phone is giving you a very good the performance as well. And as for night, it is the play very good on the 20 as well, play the PUBG mobile game, and it is support HD on high settings, but you can play the game on high settings, it is very lag. You can play the PUBG on HD in medium settings, it is very good, I have to say. And let's talk about the camera of this phone, and this phone is giving you a dual cameras on the back, and it is a 13 plus 5 megapixel combination f1.9 and f2.2 aperture, and secondary lens is having a ultra wide lens. That's a very good thing about this phone. And you can see here is a normal, and you can enable the ultra wide. I have to say, you can see it is very wide. And back camera as well as the front camera is record up to full HD, and it is a Samsung One UI the camera as well. Picture quality, it is very good in daylight, but in night it is little bit struggle. And the 5 megapixel ultra wide, the picture quality in night it is very bad, but you can use in daylight, it is awesome, very good, giving you a different the focal length as well. And here is the 8 megapixel the camera on the front with f1.9 aperture, and the back camera as well as the front camera is giving you a live the focus feature. You can also adjust that, you can see it is a adjust the level if you want. And 8 megapixel the camera on the front, it is also very good in daylight, but you can go to the night, it is little bit struggle as well. Camera as well as the front camera is not giving you a electric stabilization. Security wise about this phone, and this phone is giving you the fingerprint on the back as well as the Face ID front camera. And let's show you the fingerprint scanner speed, and you can see it is very fast, not very fast. Show you the Face ID, and you can see it is very fast. Talk about the speakers of this phone, and let's play the over the horizon. And one thing I have to say notice also on the A30, you can use the music on 100% level, and the sound is little bit the shrink, and you can down only one level. And now I am show you that. But I have to say that the speaker it is loud but not very the clear on the 100 level. And let's talk about the battery life of this phone, and this phone comes with a massive 4000 mAh battery size with support a fast charging Samsung adapter fast charging with a USB type C port as well. And this phone is giving you a 1 day battery life if you have a heavy user, and if you are not a heavy user, this phone is giving you a 1.5 day battery life without any problem. And overall I have to say that this phone it is giving you a so many good the feature which you don't see on another brand as well. This phone is giving you a USB type C port as well as a dual cameras which is having a ultra wide lens. But here is some minor the problem here in this phone, like the speaker as well as the ultra wide quality in night as well as the normal lens, it is not very good. A30 it is little bit good in night with the 16 megapixel the back camera and 16 megapixel camera on the front on the A30, but it is a 8 megapixel giving you a good quality on daylight. And thank you so much for watching this full review of the Samsung Galaxy A20. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.